Snore treatment is a therapy that we have been using for a couple of years now. The laser has a frequency that causes collagen formation in the soft palate that helps the vibration of the soft palate when you're sleeping. A lot of people, the reason that they snore is that their soft palate is loose and flimsy and causes that vibration. The laser targets that soft palate and tightens it up, more or less, to hopefully have a quieter sleep. The treatment takes about 5 minutes. We do 2 treatments about 30 days apart. It is non-invasive. We use a numbing spray. It doesn't hurt. There's no downtime. The results start working after about 24 hours and continue after the second treatment. We've also been doing some Snore Guards, which is a mandibular advancement device that moves your bottom jaw forward and moves the tongue out of the back of your throat. Also helps for snoring.